Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lots of beautiful crochet top ideas. These ideas you can copy and make your top by yourself. Very beautiful and attractive ideas are shared in this video. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas. So friends, don't skip the video, watch till the end. I hope you will like and enjoy. If you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of beautiful clothing and fashion of girls, like plus size mother of the bride dresses and plus size fashion and much more ideas related to girls, like party style, bodycon, party dresses, midi dresses, maxi styles, and much more ideas, nail art designs, footwear, and also I have shared bridal dresses and bridal hairstyles and pixie bob haircuts, and much more ideas are shared on my channel. So I hope you will enjoy it and like those ideas as well. So friends, also tell me about today's video in the comment section. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button, and if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section, and also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. So friends, today's video is related to crochet top ideas. These tops you can wear on your t-shirts and as it is. Hope so you will enjoy it. Now let me say to take care of yourself. Bye bye.